Will the rise of AI lead to the fall of humankind as we know it? $15 billion has been invested in AI startups during the first 6 months of the year. But instead of optimism, some leading thinkers like Elon Musk are sounding the alarm about AI's dangers. We've invited AI into our homes, our cars, and even our pockets. Siri, Alexa, and self-driving cars, they were once thought to be just figments of our imagination. Now they're part of our daily lives, assisting and entertaining, and sometimes even making decisions for us. But here's the twist. While we're busy asking them to play our favorite songs, some AI systems are learning human behavior at a depth that we can't even comprehend. And with this deep understanding, they have the potential to predict or even manipulate our actions. What would you do if one day your virtual assistant didn't just assist, but decided for you? Don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.